myself is Miss Vadini, RPIIT College Plaza, and I'm going to learn about a program in C which implements the selection sort algorithm to sort an array of integers in ascending order. Here's a detailed explanation of the code. Let's start with hash include stdio.h, which includes standard input and output library of functions like printf and scanf. Then void selection sort. So this function sorts the array using the selection sort algorithm. Here how selection sort works. Here it finds the smallest element from the unsorted part and swaps it with the first element of the unsorted part. It repeats until the array is sorted. So we initialize like int I, which is the outer loop index. You can position to the place the smallest element, and j is the inner loop index to find the smallest element. Min index stores the index of the minimum value found, and temp is the used for swapping values, where you will put the temp. Then how the process will go for this is the loop for each position, and here min underscore index equal to I is to assume the current position has the smallest element. This loop finds the smallest in the remaining array. Then we put one condition over here, if where aj is less than a min index, which what it's defining that if the smaller element is found or not. Then if it is found, then update the smallest index, and then here swap the found element with AI. So here we are putting it in the temp. This is the int me. Its purpose is to takes the input from the user and calls the swapping and calls the sorting function. Then also print the sorted array. So here, what is it we are doing? Declaring an array A of the size what 100, and the integers n, and n is the number of elements, and I for loops. Now, here user enters the number of elements, and again the user inputs an array elements. Now we are calling the sorted function to sort an array using selection sort an. This is the function which we need like here. Then displays the sorted array in this. Let's run this program. Let's say we enter 5 elements, then we need to unsorted array we need. Let's do then this is the sorted array. First we put the unsorted array. So this is the selection sort which we have learned today. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.